Side my hair.
Do you want me to?
What do you see, Luke? Hi. 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 What do you see?
What's up, Bubby?
Hi, honey. Hi, sweetheart. Talk to me. Oh, yes. What else? And then what did you do? Did you go to a sports bar and watch the Huskers?
Because I like that.
And who was winning? Who was winning that game? Anybody but the Huskers? Are you a Bears fan or a Vikings fan?
Sure sound like Bears to me.
He's like, go Big Purple. What
How about
else?
the Fighting Irish.
You like Notre Dame? Do you? Uh-huh. Oh, no.
Because who else is there to root for if it's not Notre Dame, right?
What else do you like? Do you like pumpkin pie? Do you like pumpkin pie? You want to push off? Hold on a second. Here we go. You are. Look at there.